है गेमर्स, खुशामदीद है आपको एक धमाकेदार गेम द वॉकिंग डेड के थर्ड एपिसोड में। तो जैसा आप सबको याद होगा, हार्शल ग्रीन के बेटे शॉन की मौत के बाद उसने हमें अपने फॉर्म से निकाल दिया था और हम सब रवाना हो गए थे ली के होम यानी कि द मेकन सिटी, जहां पर ली ने बताया था कि मेरे घर वाले मेकन सिटी में रहते हैं। और ली के घर पहुंचते ही हम पर बहुत सारे ज़ोंबीज़ ने हमला कर दिया था, जिससे हमें एक लड़की ने बचाया गन फायर करके। वहाँ और भी बहुत से लोग थे जिन्होंने हमारी जान बचाई। तो चलिए आगे देखते हैं कि अब आगे क्या होता है। और अगर चैनल पर नए हो तो इस गेम सीरीज़ के प्रीवियस पार्ट्स को भी चेकआउट कर लेना, जो कि बहुत मज़ेदार हैं। और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। लेट्स गो।
We can't take risks like this. And we can't just let people die either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what, I fucking mean it. We don't know who these people are.
ओके, तो यहाँ पर
It
एक
could be
प्रॉब्लम हो
dangerous.
गई है।
Worse, they could have let him right to us.
Where the hell is your humanity?
We have kids with us.
I see one little girl.
इस बुड्ढे से मुझे सही वाइब्स
इस
नहीं
बंदे
है।
से मुझे सही वाइब्स नहीं आ रही है, बुड्ढे से।
अरे
I'd go out there again in a second.
I bet you would. You're a dumb, careless kid.
Then just go.
They've got kids, Lily.
Those things outside don't care.
Maybe you should go join him then. You'll have something in common.
God damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
Carly and Glenn just ran out there.
I don't give a flying fuck. We're in a war zone.
She's the leader here, but it looks like she's losing control of her people.
If you were in my shoes, you'd be the...
Holy shit. Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
लेकिन उसे तो नहीं काटा गया था ना।
He wasn't bitten.
Hell, he wasn't. We have to end this now.
भाई इस बुड्ढे को कोई पकड़ के पीटो यार।
We'll dig one hole.
No, I'm cleaning him up. There's no bite. He's fine.
Don't you fucking people get it? We've already seen this happen. We let someone with a bite stay in, and we all end up bitten. Shut up. We gotta throw him out, or smash his head in.
Kenny, stop him!
What do we do about this guy?
Dad, it's just a boy. It's...
Lily, I'll handle
But
this.
your heart, Dad. You need to calm down. We'll get this kid out of here.
It's either him or your son. I say it's him.
Goddamn right. Out on his ass with those things.
Everyone,
तो
chill
सबके
the
बारे
fuck
में बात
out.
करेंगे, पहले ये
Nobody's doing
conversation सुन लो।
anything.
Shut up, Lily. And you, shut the fuck up. They will find us, and they will get in here, and none of this will fucking
भाई ये
matter.
बुड्ढा कितना
Right now,
हरामी है।
we're about to be trapped in here with one of those things.
What the hell are you talking about?
He's bitten. That's how you turn.
He's not bitten. Lee, stop this. It's upsetting him.
Oh, I'm upsetting him. Upsetting is getting eaten alive.
Dad, we get it. It's a big deal.
It's Larry, right? Man, this is his son.
Look around, dumbass. I got a daughter in here. You got a daughter in here. Get your head out of your ass, boy.
We've all got people in here. We can figure this out without killing anybody. There's another way.
Yeah, with a shovel.
I'm gonna kill him, Cat. Just worry about Duck.
Lee,
Yeah?
there's someone in
ओह,
there.
मुझे लगता है ये
It's
दरवाजा
just
खुलेगा।
locked. Keys behind the counter. Probably.
ओके,
Hey, I'm not the bad guy here. I'm just looking out for my daughter.
No, you're just the guy arguing for killing a kid.
He's covered in muck. She'll find the bite. Watch.
She won't.
And if she does, the first thing he'll do is sink his teeth into his mom's face. Then, once she's dead, he'll probably pounce on your little girl. She'll turn fast. And then, there'll be 3.
Then we deal with it then. But right now, we're just freaking everybody out.
Then get ready to deal with it because that boy is bitten.
Not gonna happen.
It is. And we're tossing him out now.
भाई इसको मैं तो बोलता हूँ लगा ही दे एक मुंह पर।
Knock this guy out.
Happily.
Jesus!
Oh, man.
अरे यार, मैंने कहा ही दरवाजा खुलेगा। अरे मैंने कहा था ना भाई, ये ली कैरेक्टर गिरने के लिए इस गेम के अंदर आया है।
Get away from her, you son
और
of
इसका
a
कोई
bitch!
काम इतना जरूरी है भी नहीं। हट 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 हट, क्या कम बखत।
Man,
You okay?
इस लड़की ने फिर से हमारी जान बचाई।
Just great, thanks.
Guys?
Everybody down. Stay quiet.
They're gonna get
अब
in.
क्यों चुप रहा है?
Is that the military?
I
तो
don't know.
बाहर से
Thank God
कुछ
for
आवाजें आ
whatever
रही
it is.
हैं हेलीकॉप्टर
We almost died because of this bitch and her itchy trigger finger. That was
शायद military
stupid.
है या
That
फिर-
was. Dad!
अब इस बेवकूफ
What's
को
wrong
क्या-
with him?
It's his heart.
My pills.
Nitroglycerin pills?
Yes, we're out. We've been trying to get into the pharmacy since we got here. Please try to get in there. Behind the counter where the pills are.
ठीक है।
What are we looking for?
We need nitroglycerin pills. Please get in there. I'll keep an eye on my dad.
अच्छा
Everyone
हुक्म
else
दे
should
रही
get
है।
comfy and look for anything useful. We could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think this drugstore isn't a permanent solution.
You're right. This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest?
We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown Macon. Fast.
Agreed.
Then I'll head out and get gas.
Okay.
There's a motel not too far from here, out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it and then loop back, siphoning what I can. All right. Silence is consent. That's the plan.
If you're gonna do that, here's a walkie-talkie if you get in a tight spot. Hopefully, you won't need it.
Cool.
Clementine's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can.
And you, what's your name?
It's Lily. My dad's Larry.
Keep a good eye on him. These boys will work on getting you your medicine.
That's right.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly, you'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now, get some rest. You're a good shot, and I'd like to keep it that way.
You got it, boss.
Now get him those pills.
भाई जैसा इसका बाप है ना, मुझे तो लगता है इसके बाप को मर ही जाना चाहिए। ओके, तो जीएसआर में जिन लोगों ने हमारी जान बचाई उनमें से कुछ लोग हमारे साथ रहने के खिलाफ हैं, जिनमें से वो बुढ़ा लेरी और उसकी वो बेटी लिली बहुत ज़्यादा बहस करने लगे उस बच्चे डक के बारे में कि उसे बाहर काटा गया है और अब तुम यहाँ पर उसे नहीं रख सकते। और इसी बहस के बीच ली और डक के फादर लेरी को समझाने लगे कि उसके बेटे को बाहर नहीं काटा गया, वो तुम्हारे लिए खतरनाक नहीं है। लेकिन लेरी और उसकी बेटी लिली ये मानने के लिए तैयार ही नहीं है कि तुम में से कोई काटा गया है। और लेरी इस बहस को बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ा देता है ये कहकर कि तुम्हारे बेटे डग का अब सर कुचलना ही होगा क्योंकि वो कुछ ही वक्त में ज़ोंबी भी बन जाएगा। और इस बहस को ख़त्म करने के लिए वो आपस में फ़ाइट भी करते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ अचानक से एक ज़ोंबी आ जाता है क्लेमेंटाइन के ऊपर हमला करने के लिए। और फिर से वो लड़की हमारी जान बचाती है उस ज़ोंबी को शूट करके। और फिर अचानक उस कमबख्त बुढ़े लेरी को हार्ट अटैक आ जाता है और अब हमें उस बुढ़े की जान बचानी है फार्मेसी से कुछ पिल्स या मेडिसिन लाकर, जो शायद से अभी लॉक है और उसकी की भी पता नहीं कहाँ है। तो हमें की ढूंढनी है, पिल्स लाकर इस लड़की को देनी है ताकि अपने बुढ़े बाप की जान बचा सके। और लेट्स सी आगे क्या होता है। और अब तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लो और लाइक करना मत भूलना। लेट्स सी आगे क्या होता है।
It's not damaged. Glad this place didn't get looted.
तो ये दरवाज़ा भी लॉक्ड है।
It's not damaged. Glad this place didn't get looted.
चलो देखते हैं हमें यहाँ से क्या मिल सकता है। यार हमें यहाँ से कोई गन वगैरह ही मिल जाती तो बहुत बेहतर रहता, लेकिन किस्मत को क्या ही कह सकते हैं।
Looks like nobody got a chance to donate anything before this all went down.
तो ये ऐसे दे देते
Not
हैं।
much, but here you go.
Thank you.
Of course. The pills are in there.
ठीक है, तो इससे बात करके देखते हैं।
It's not much, but here.
You sure?
Yeah. You're under quite a bit of stress.
Thanks. That's, really sweet.
Don't mention it.
Alive inside. तो शायद से ये ली यहीं पर रहता था और शायद इसकी फैमिली भी यहीं पर रहती थी। अब देखते हैं ये एग्जैक्ट इसका ही घर है या फिर ये कहीं और है। जहाँ तक मुझे लग रहा है ये इसी का घर है।
I can't think about them in here.
ओके, तो इसकी फैमिली यहीं पर रहती थी।
Everyone out there seem all right to you?
Yeah. Well, maybe not the sick guy.
Yeah, we'll keep an eye on him.
And there was that thing in the bathroom. It tried to get me.
I know.
But you stopped it.
Yeah, I did.
Can you do that more?
Well, I'm not gonna go looking for him.
I mean, get the dangerous ones.
I'm gonna try.
Good.
Have you heard from Glenn?
Not in a little while.
I'm gonna keep looking around.
Okay.
तो फार्मेसी में जाने का शायद से ये एक और डोर है, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये भी ओपन होगा।
What's that?
This was my dad's cane. He'd zip around here on it from time to
ओके,
time.
तो ये स्टिक
Was he
इसके
sick?
फादर की
He
है,
was
ली
okay.
के फादर
I
की।
actually saw him whoop shoplifters with it. This cane's protected this place better than any guard dog ever could. Plus, he knew how to make it look cool. Like you with your hat.
My dad gave it to me.
See, dads are smart like that. We gotta clear this door for when we find the keys. We
तो
gotta
हमें
clear
कीज
this
ढूंढनी है
door
इस
for when we
डोर
find
को
the
खोलने के
keys.
लिए। ओ, ये इसी की फैमिली की फोटो है। इसके मॉम, डैड और ये थर्ड पर्सन पता नहीं कौन है। ओके, तो ये अपनी पिक्चर का हिस्सा
anything?
अलग कर रहा है ताकि इनको पता ना चले कि ये कौन था, क्योंकि इसने एक मर्डर भी किया है।
Just a picture of whoever was here.
I know who you are. You're Lee Everett. You're a professor at Athens who killed a state senator who was sleeping with your wife. This is your parents' store. Folks around town know the owner's son got himself a life sentence, but I'm a reporter for WABE in Atlanta. I paid attention to that trial. Maybe you're a murderer, but I don't really care. Frankly, that's a skill that might come in handy. Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
तो इसे हमारे बारे में सब कुछ पता है।
The world is ending out there. Who cares who I am?
सही
If
बात
you
है,
don't think
किससे
people
पड़ी
will
है?
find any reason to turn on you, especially when the shit hits the fan, you're insane.
Whatever.
You seem like an okay guy, and the last thing we need is drama out there. You've got this little girl to take care of, and look, don't make me wrong on this.
I don't plan to.
Good, because if this lasts longer than a few days, and you're a detriment to the group, then we'd have a problem.
I hear you.
I'll just keep it to myself.
How can I trust
भरोसा नहीं कर सकते
You
किसी पर
can't,
भी इस
I
वक्त पे।
suppose, but you don't have many other options.
तो ये हमारे बारे में सब कुछ जानती है कि इस ली की वाइफ के साथ कोई समझ रहे हो अफेयर था, जिसका उसे ली ने मार दिया था, जैसा हमें पहले एपिसोड में भी पता चला था, आपको अगर याद हो तो उसके बारे में ये लड़की बात करके गई कि मुझे तुम्हारे बारे में सब कुछ पता है, तुम कौन हो और
Better
तुमने
get this
उस
door clear, huh?
आदमी का मर्डर भी किया
Can
है
I
जिसका
help?
तुम्हारी वाइफ के साथ अफेयर था।
Sure. Here we go. Watch your fingers in the drawers.
तो लेट्स सी, हम देखते हैं कि इस दरवाजे को हम खोल सकते हैं या नहीं।
Things have been scary, huh?
Yeah. It's not good. I don't know why everyone is crazy.
Neither do I, Clementine. Nobody does, I don't think.
I bet my dad does.
Okay, here we go.
Do you have kids? You don't have a family?
Let's just move this thing.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
It's fine. All right, a little further.
Why don't you want to talk about your family? Do they, like, hate you?
Because they're dead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You didn't know.
I'm just sorry for being mean.
Look, my family's gone, and I just wish things would have been different.
Yeah.
I'm not a bad guy, okay? Things happened, and we didn't talk much after that.
My parents don't talk to me when I get in trouble.
I can relate.
Ow!
अरे
Are you okay?
I hurt my finger.
Is it bleeding?
A little.
I'll find you a bandage.
तो देखते हैं हम इसकी फिंगर को ठीक करने के लिए कोई
It's
बैंडेज
fine.
या कोई मेडिसिन
We
ढूंढ
need to
सकते
track down the
हैं।
keys if we're gonna help Larry. It's the remote to my dad's
तो हमें यहाँ
TV.
रिमोट कंट्रोल मिला है ली के डेड की टीवी का।
Let's have a look at that finger. Now,
It hurt.
let's see if we can do something about it. Does it hurt when I do this?
A little. Not too much.
You sure?
Yeah.
बेवकूफ़ आदमी। उसकी उंगली दबाएगा तो उसे दर्द ही होगा ना
It's
यार।
not broken.
वैसे इस रिमोट कंट्रोल का काम क्या होगा वैसे, मतलब यहाँ पर टेलीविज़न तो
Lee?
ठीक से चलता नहीं होगा
Yeah.
क्योंकि सारी
What if
दुनिया
my
ज़ोंबी बन
parents come
चुकी
home
है।
and I'm not there?
ओह, तो
They'll track us down. Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay. We should keep a lookout. I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Stay close to me until then, okay?
तो मुझे नहीं लगता इसके माँ बाप अब इससे दोबारा मिल सकेंगे, लेकिन एक होप देना तो ठीक ही रहेगा।
Looks like one of them was hurt. I wonder if it was my dad. Trying to be a hero, maybe. Or a protector, at least.
तो यहाँ पर इसके डैड थे और इसने कहा कि हमारे डैड हीरो बनने की कोशिश कर रहे होंगे प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए फैमिली को, और कुछ गलत हो गया होगा। ओके, तो मुझे फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स मिल गया है, बैंडेज भी मिल गई है। लेट्स गो।
Let's have a look at that finger. Ow.
It hurt.
Let's see if we can do.
तो चलो इसकी फिंगर
get
पर
this cut covered
बैंडेज
up.
लगा देते हैं।
Yes, please.
Want to head back into the drugstore with me?
Okay.
तो चलो अब बाहर
Lee?
चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि हम इस फार्मेसी डोर को खोलने के
You're
लिए
not
क्या कर
bad,
सकते हैं।
right?
Why are you asking me that?
That lady said you killed someone. Was that because he was one of the things trying to eat you?
मुझे नहीं लगता इसको भी ये सब बताना ठीक रहेगा।
No, he wasn't.
Oh. Was he bad?
He was. How's he doing?
I'm not sure I got your name.
It's Lee.
Lily. My dad's Larry. I was just doing what I
हाँ,
had
ये
to
तो पहले से ही
earlier.
पता था तुम्हारा
Everyone
नाम।
was.
Now his heart's acting up again and I'm powerless to do anything. And that violence before with my dad, that didn't help.
What's wrong with him?
He's got a heart condition. He takes nitroglycerin tablets pretty regularly. I've seen a few bad attacks that he couldn't get over and needed to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's not really an option right now.
I'm just trying to keep him relaxed.
You're a pretty good shot.
Well, you don't fuck with a reporter, especially one that's 3 days out from her last cup of coffee.
What are you messing around with there?
A
तो
radio.
यहाँ पर एक रेडियो
Can't get it to
देखते
work,
हैं
though.
इसे हम ठीक कर सकते हैं
Yeah,
या
but-
नहीं। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है इसके अंदर बैटरी ही नहीं होगी, इसलिए ये
There are no batteries in this thing.
ये लड़की
What
अपने
now?
आप को रिपोर्टर
that
कह
there are
रही
no
है और
batteries
उसे
in that
रेडियो
thing.
में बैटरी डालने
Yeah,
तक
of
का नहीं
course.
पता, बेवकूफ़ औरत।
Yeah. No.
I can try to find some. Needs two.
Thanks. I wouldn't even really know what to look for.
ओके
Heard or seen anything?
Nothing, luckily. Wanna step outside, have a look around?
I'm not suicidal yet.
No, the
ठीक
gate
है,
up there
तो
is
बाहर
closed.
चल के
We
देखते
can hang
हैं।
out in front of the store and be fine.
Sure.
वैसे मुझे क्या लगता है ना कि हम बाहर से भी
And we'll
उस
keep it
फार्मेसी
down.
के अंदर
Don't
जा
need to
सकते
bring
हैं।
them back this way with any
I think so.
unnecessary noises.
Agreed.
तो जीएस आर्मी आज के इस एपिसोड को करते हैं यहीं पर एंड। तो जीएस आर्मी आज का ये गेम प्ले अगर आपको पसंद आया हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और वीडियो को लाइक करते हुए जाना, क्योंकि आगे आने वाली वीडियोस और भी धमाकेदार होने वाली हैं। बाय।